Good Monday morning. Hey, we're going to bring you a little bit of a tutorial here. This is a hive that we've just cracked open, and one thing I want to show you, we're going to take out this end frame here, and we've lost the queen in here. You can see that these bullet-shaped drone here, this is all drone brood. You can see that pattern, kind of sporadic and drone, so we know that the queen has failed in this hive. So we're going to kind of show you how to deal with this really quick. Now I know there's probably 1,000 different ways to do this, but I'm just going to show you one of our really quick methods that we find works really well, and we're going to do it really quick here. So I'm going to take this box and I'm going to take it over here in the grass. That's probably about far enough. We're about, I'd say 15-20 yards from the hive, and we're just going to knock all these bees out. We're just going to take. Now the idea behind this is we'll probably never be able to find the queen that's failed or the laying worker or whatever causing the problem, but she's not going to be able to make it back to the hive. So we're going to knock all these out. They don't like it a lot, but they'll get used to it. Okay. And we're going to take this back to the position that it was in, and the bees that can will make it back here. Okay, now we're going to go grab a couple of frames of brood. Come with me. Now this is a hive here. I've taken the top box off and set it up here, and I know the queen's right here on this frame, and so these bees I know are queenless. So there's some nice young brood, both sides, 2 frames of brood. We're going to take these over. We're going to stick them in here. I have a mated queen right here in my pocket. She's got a candy plug. There she is. I'm going to give her a little bit of honey. See right here on the side? I'm just going to dab just a little bit. And then I'm going to plant her right here in the broods with the screen down and the candy plug down. Just like that. Slip her back in here. Just like that. Put this frame over here. Kind of center up the brood there. Put the feeder in there. Center it up. Just like that. And fill up the feeder, give them some patty and some salvation salve, and you're all set to go. That queen will be out in about 4 days. The filled bees will come back from where I knocked them out. You can see them coming back already. They'll come and rejoin the hive. They've got new nurse bees in there to take care of that queen and the young brood coming in, and this hive will catch up very quickly. Have fun.